we are going to deploy our AI-powered developer assistant application to the internet. And we are going to use Netlify. So let's look at the process involved. First step is that unless we push our code into GitHub, so to do that, navigate into GitHub. And then I'm going to have a new repository for this. This one is for the starter template. I'm going to add new one and then public, initialize as git, and then create. There's a name. Let me change this one to that, and then create repository. After creating, I'm going to clone using our desktop for GitHub. Let me search for that. And then I'm going to click on clone and let's search for AI powered assistant, which is this. Copy the name and then search for that, which is the first one. And the location, let me place it on my desktop and select and clone. All right, it is done. Let me confirm. This is the folder. So I'm going to copy our code that we have. Mine is inside React-Firebase Gen AI chat, and I'm going to place it here. And the next step is let's check our repository, and we have these changes. Let's wait while the other folders are importing. All right, so let me go ahead and open this folder and let's remove the node module as that. And that's all what we need. And let's check. So I'm going to push this one to GitHub. I'm going to say that final project or final code, and then commit to main and then push to origin. All right, it is done. So let me confirm, reload, and we have our folders. Next step is let's visit netlify.com and click on login or sign up in case you don't have any account. And then click on add new site and then import an existing project and select GitHub. We are going to select the project that we push to GitHub, which is this one. Copy the name and then back here I'm going to search for that, and then not this one, the first one. Let me provide the name of this project as Masync-AI Powered Assistant. And let me check the availability. It exists. And last step is deploy Masync-AI Powered Assistant project. All right, it is in progress. And definitely you're going to face some redirect issues. So let's fix that. So back here in the public folder, we're going to add a file called _redirect without any extension. And then let's have this code as /index.html and then 200. So we need to push this one to GitHub. So back here, well, it is done, but let's try to push this one. I'm going to say that fixed redirect issues and then commit to main and push to origin. So let me log in to confirm my deployment status, which is Masync-AI Powered Assistant. Click on that. And now our application is live. Let me also change the name. So back to the code. In the index here, I'm going to change this one to Masync or just Masync AI. And let's also push to GitHub as added project title and then commit to main and push. with this one, Netlify is going to redeploy our project. So even if I reload, well, after a few minutes or some seconds, it will be updated. So let's go ahead and try our project. And let me log in as joe@gmail.com and sign in. And it is asking me to enter my API key. Let me check if I don't have it in my local storage. I think locally I have it. So let me open this one. Let me copy this API key and back here. Let me paste that, continue. All right, now it worked. All right, guys, let's try with the Google sign in to make sure that it is working. It says that Firebase error, unauthorized domain. And this is a common issue when using Firebase authentication. We have to pass our deployed domain into Firebase. To do that, let's visit our dashboard, AI-powered application, and then click on the authentication, and then click on the settings. And below here, under the authorized domains, click on that and add the new domain. So I'm going to copy this and then paste it, remove this one, and then add. Let me try again. All right, and now it worked. All right, guys, so here ends this project.